Hello, Star. My name is Christopher Miones, and I'm a market solutions engineer. I work alongside the product integration team under the management of John Levin. One of the tasks in my job is to work with products that Star can introduce in their lineup. In this presentation, I'll be going over two new Star Cash Drawer accessories, one being the Star APG Adapter, and the other being the dual drawer secure cable. Before I begin my presentation, I just want to give Star a big thank you for allowing me to join their team. Now, let's move on to the presentation. Welcome to my new cash drawer accessories from Star presentation. The layout of my presentation will cover the purpose and functionalities of the dual drawer secure cable and the Star APG adapter. I'll begin by talking about the dual drawer secure cable, then afterwards discuss the Star APG adapter. After each product presented, there will be an FAQ that can be used for future reference if needed. Our first product is the dual drawer secure cable. Like other dual drawer cables, the dual drawer secure cable will drive two Star cash drawers using one Star printer. An important fact to note is the printer and cash drawer cables will be embedded into the dual drawer secure cable housing. The two sample images below demonstrate the embedding of the cables. One cable is for the Star printer and the other is for the Star cash drawer. The dual drawer secure cable has a unique advantage. This advantage is a security that it can provide for customers. Because of the security, Star can deliver a secure solution that makes it harder for a dishonest clerk to swap cables and open the wrong drawer. This is unique to Star. Because of the dual drawer secure cable will be labeled, it will make the installation for customers that much easier. The wire that is labeled printer will plug into the Star printer. The wire that is labeled cash drawer 2 will plug into cash drawer 2. And finally, using the Star cash drawer cable, plug the printer end into the dual drawer secure cable housing and plug the cash drawer end into cash drawer 1. Like any other dual drawer cable, Star's dual drawer secure cable is limited by the simple circuit of the cash drawer. This means the only statuses that can be retrieved is open or closed. It is important to note that the dual drawer secure cable cannot identify which cash drawer is open without the help from the software the customer is using. An ideal scenario to present the dual drawer secure cable would be in hospitalities or retails where employees share one terminal but are responsible for their own cash drawers. A perfect example is a bar. When bartender 1 is operating the terminal and opens his or her cash drawer, bartender 2 should not be able to operate the terminal until the status of the cash drawer belonging to bartender 1 returns closed. A scenario that is not ideal for the dual drawer secure cable would be in hospitalities or retails where employees manage their own terminal but share one Star printer. While employees are making transactions, the terminal will be able to read that the cash drawer is open but will not be able to identify which cash drawer is open. The dual drawer secure cable FAQ can be referenced in the future if needed. Some key facts to know on this slide is point 1. Is the dual drawer secure cable compatible with Epson? Yes, it is compatible with Epson, and the Epson printer will be able to retrieve the statuses from the cash drawer as well. Point 5. Can cash drawer 1 and cash drawer 2 be swapped? No, cash drawer 1 and cash drawer 2 are predetermined by the wiring of the product. Will any RJ11 cable work? No. When connecting cash drawer 1 into the dual drawer secure cable, you should be using a Star cash drawer cable. Our next product in this presentation is a Star APG Adapter. The Star APG Adapter is an adapter that converts an APG cash drawer cable into a Star cash drawer cable. The Star APG Adapter will provide the advantage in replacing APG cash drawers with Star cash drawers in an effortless, quick manner. In addition, Star will not have to change the existing APG cash drawer cable or change the host device that is driving the peripheral. Star has the opportunity to dominate the cash drawer market by replacing APG Cash Drawers with Star Cash Drawers. Again, it is important to note that the Star APG Adapter is an effortless and quick transition for customers because the customer does not have to worry about replacing or changing their APG Cash Drawer cable or host device. And the host device can be any printer or terminal. The effortless quick transition of the Star APG Adapter is plugging in the APG Cash Drawer cable into the Star APG Adapter, then plugging in the Star APG Adapter into the Star Cash Drawer. Star should be aware that when replacing APG Cash Drawers with Star Cash Drawers, we pay attention to the interface the APG Cash Drawer has. For this current slide, we can see that the 320 interface has a 24-volt solenoid, the 420 interface has a 12-volt solenoid, and the 520 interface has a 12-volt, 24-volt dual solenoid. Since the Star APG Adapter supports all APG interfaces, Star can support the replacement of any APG cash drawer. The Star APG Adapter is an RJ45 female to RJ11 male. As mentioned in the previous slide, it is important to know when a customer decides to replace an APG cash drawer, it is a quick and easy transition, and Star does not have to worry about changing or replacing the APG cash drawer cable or host device. The host device, again, can be any printer or terminal. As we can see in the diagram below, a customer is using an APG cash drawer, which can be any APG cash drawer as a peripheral, and decides to replace it with the Star cash drawer. We can see that after applying the Star APG Adapter, the host device remains the same, the APG cash drawer cable remains the same, but the peripheral is a Star cash drawer with a Star APG Adapter. As mentioned before, the Star APG Adapter is compatible with any APG cash drawer, and after the transition from an APG cash drawer to a Star cash drawer, the host device will still be able to retrieve the status from the cash drawer. This is a great opportunity for Star because APG is the biggest target in the cash drawer market, and now is the perfect time to attack and dominate the cash drawer market with a great list of competing Star cash drawers and accessories. The Star APG Adapter FAQ can be referenced in the future if needed. Some key facts to know on this slide is point 1. Does the host device have to be a Star printer? No, the host device can be any printer or terminal. Point 4, can we plug in any RJ45 cable into the Star adapter? No. It is important that we plug in an APG cash drawer cable into the adapter. To avoid confusion, the Star APG Adapter will be labeled to make clear that the customer should plug in an APG cash drawer cable. Point 6, can Star replace an APG 420 interface with a Star 24-volt cash drawer? No, it is important to remember that the voltage of the cash drawer matches the voltage output of the host device. I appreciate the time you took to view my presentation. My name is Christopher Miones, and thank you.